Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone and account so adding Clipper is seamless. Open Wallet, tap the plus sign, and choose Transit Card. This begins the Clipper flow. If you have a physical Clipper, place it near the top of your iPhone so the transfer can read the card. You do this to preserve your stored value and passes. Once the card is detected, follow on screen prompts to confirm account details. This ensures your balance and passes move into Apple Wallet securely. Once added, you configure essential settings to avoid problems on the go. Go into Wallet, tap your Clipper card, and check identity verification prompts and terms. This unlocks full functionality. Make sure a valid payment method is present for auto-load or one-time top-ups so you can reload instantly. Transfer any monthly passes or stored value from your physical card if you haven't already. Verify the balance shown matches what you expect, because accurate balance prevents boarding delays. To tap in, hold the top of your iPhone close to the reader until you feel a vibration and see a green check mark. This confirms payment. If a read fails, try unlocking with Face ID or wake the screen first and try again, because some readers need an active display. If problems persist, use your physical Clipper as a backup and check the Clipper app for balance or transfer status. If balances mismatch or transfers fail, contact Clipper support with your card number for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.